So my name is Peyton Slattery. I am a full-time electrical foreman during the day, and then I teach first year at night school through the apprenticeship for IEC Chesapeake, which is independent electrical contractors. We are a non-union trade school. I did all 4 years of my apprenticeship through IEC Chesapeake. I got a late start to the trade. I didn't start until I was 20. I didn't join my apprenticeship until I was 21. I'm currently about to be 26, and I've made it all the way through my trade. I love my job. Immediately, I knew I was going to teach just to give back and teach people to, you never have to work a day if you love what you do. And the trade is definitely a great option to support yourself, support a family, and love what you do. I work with my hands. I knew a desk job was never for me. I never took a college, I never made a college application, never took a SAT course, and I knew I never wanted a desk job. And a trade, especially me personally, electric, it's so fulfilling. A lot of people, when you're young, you think, okay, I want to leave your mark on the world, so to say. And a lot of people think that's, first responders, military, doctors, lawyers, it's their typical leave my mark on the world. But you join a trade, I'm sure somebody has a dad or a grandfather, you drive around in a car and you go, hey, I built that, hey, I fixed that. And the trade is the most organic way to drive around, for us, the DMV or wherever you may live, drive around cities, counties, and say, hey, I changed that light, I built that school, you can leave your mark everywhere. And yeah, I love it. I would never trade it for anything.